today I have a quick, easy, simple recipe for you guys. It is sheet pan shrimp boil. Yes, it's amazing. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. For our sheet pan shrimp boil, you will need a pound of shrimp, which is peeled, deveined, and tails are on. You need a pound of potatoes, which I have used the, baby potatoes. These are the small baby potatoes, which I cut in half and then cut those in half. You will need a pound of sausage. I use smoked sausage, the hot one. And you will also need corn. You can use corn with the husk, or you can use frozen corn. Either or. Garlic. Creole seasoning. And I'm using Obey seasoning. So first off, you want to take your potatoes and toss them on your sheet pan. And you want to take your sausage. And you also want to toss that on your sheet pan. And what I'm going to use Creole season, about a half of tablespoon. If it comes up. So I'm going to sprinkle about a half a tablespoon of that on there. Use some fresh ground pepper. Okay, so with the Creole season, it can be really salty, so you don't want to use too much of it. I was going to add a little kosher salt, but I think the Creole seasoning is good enough. So now what you're going to do is slide this out of the way, and you're going to take your butter. By the way, I have my oven preheated at 400 degrees. So you're gonna take your butter and just, spread it on your corn. Don't have to be perfect. And then you just want to take a piece of aluminum foil, which I have rolled off here, and you just want to roll it up. Now that we have seasoned our potatoes and our sausage, we have buttered down our corn. We're just going to make little spaces for our corn. I should have did 3 corns, but it's okay. Now that we have laid everything out, our oven is preheated at 400 degrees. So we're just going to place our pan in the oven, and we're going to cook this part for 25 minutes. While our potatoes, corn, and sausage is in the oven, I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare my shrimps so when they get out, they can come in. When they come out, the shrimps can go in. So you want to have 3 cloves of minced garlic, I'm going to use some Obe seasoning to season in my shrimps. So about 1.5 tablespoons of Obe seasoning. And just a dash of this Creole seasoning, because like I said, this stuff is salty. I try not to use but so much of it. So we're going to take this and we're going to just give it a toss. So once our potatoes and corn and sausage come out of the oven, then we want to add our shrimps and place it back in the oven. But in the meantime, we're just going to allow it to sit and marinate until it gets done. It's been 25 minutes and I am just going to carefully take our pan out of the oven. It looks amazing. So just to get a fork here, our sausage is cooked perfect. Our potatoes are soft. The fork stick right through them. And I'm pretty sure our corn is, you know, good and tender as well. Yes, our corn is good and tender. So now all we're going to do is take our shrimp that has been sitting and we're just going to add them over, stir them over in with the sausage and the potatoes. So I'm just going to stir these in really good. Stir the shrimp in. Just try not to get burned. And you want to place it back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Or at least until your shrimps are good and done. You want your shrimp, make sure your shrimps are good and done. So I say 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been about 15-20 minutes. And our shrimp is done. So I'm just mixing around. Give you guys a look. This is our end result. Our sheet pan shrimp boil. So I took the foil off my corn. I have some fresh parsley here, and I'm just going to garnish it. Like that. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my sheet pan shrimp boil. If you have any recipes or any ideas or things that I can cook, and comment below and let me know. Also comment below and let me know what you thought about this recipe as well. So until next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.